Today we are playing Gunfight Arena. No. Have some good stuff. Like actually good stuff in the arena. I don't have any of these really. Snipers and AR and a shotgun and another sniper. I got the P90, got the Page 2 sniper, and a extinguisher sniper 2 weapon. But this is actually a goated map if you spawn up there. Basically you just have to run up here and get up here. If I can. Bruh. That used to be my favorite gun before I got the M60. Then 62 shots. I could flip and make 2 shots like, what? What is going on? I take that back. You're screwed. Okay. I'm making progress. There you go, camper bait. You weren't even looking at me. No! Alright, you're dead. Should I get a pistol kill? Should I try getting a pistol kill? It gives you insane aim assist. How did I die? Oh, maybe it would be so funny if it's because a flying body sniped me. Die already. No! That dumb grenade launcher! I'm goated the M60. I'm goated. Egg. I'm gonna go to the mobile server. I need the mobile server. Wow. Yeah. Definitely need a mobile server, and if there's no one, and if everyone's better than me, everyone's dead. Yes, I do want the mobile server. Let me just plug back in my motherfucking phone. And yoink, yoink, yeet, yoink, up you like that. Yippee. Alright. Ooh, we have a oh my god! What did we... Okay, I'll say okay to things. But I swear, I am gonna take a while. Level 100? 44? Yeah, I have 2. I'm gonna try getting 3 million dollars today. There's no way they nerfed it. It used to do 62 damage. Oh my gosh! Why is my game lagging so bad? Oh. Okay, maybe that's not. Yeah, maybe that just makes it worse. I need a better version. No. Yeah, I like them for trying. No. No. How does that continue? What the heck? How are you shooting me? How are you shooting me? What? I had this orange when I got the other one. I had the orange when I got the other 100. So I really like it. I had this Why do you have a sensory turret? Why McDonald's? Why did I say why McDonald's? So I need 700 to get a turret. I have orbital strike for 31 kills. At least on the leaderboard. Oh my god. Oh! Flippin' Uzi. It does 10 damage? That sucks. I earned 100,000 cash that round. That's nice. Oh, I think tags. 10 respawns. Okay, every single one of these maps suck. So I'm just gonna let those guys choose. You know, this map. Yeah! Yeah! Help! I'm under the map. The easy spot. What are my quests? Ooh, where's that one? What is that? What is that? Oh, that's a good shotgun. What do I have to do? I don't know what I have to do. Instant. Season 1 battle pass? What's a better shotgun? If I could get the shotgun, that'd be sick. How did I earn that one gun? That one rock? Oh! I earned an AR murder shot. Imagine it. Page shot. That is page. Alright. Not page 6. It's not, I could have almost, I'm gonna say that. Oh my gosh, oh, right, it is like that. My pistol does more damage. And then easy. I need a better gun. What? What? Wait. Huh? Hold on. You wanna be like a sniper? Well, come. It's not about the same. I'm only sometimes too. Weapon. Why does he do so fast? It's a sniper. Mine. Oh, here's our spawn. You don't want to deal with me. You do not want to deal with me. No. Bruh. Can I oh, finally. An okay shot. I hit a snipe. What? Oh. Ah! So. Ow. Hey. Healing. No! Bruh. That's enough gaming for today. See you in the next video.